Haldia Institute of Technology, Haldia, West Bengal, is an autonomous university established in 1996. It has a student strength of near 4,000 with campus extending to about 38 acres. Earlier it was affiliated to Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology. Currently it is an autonomous body. In the memory of late Mrs. Tamalika Ponda Seth, co-founder of Haldia Institute of Technology. In the academic year 2020 to 2021, HIT ranked in the range of 200 to 250 among engineering colleges in India by the National Institute of Ranking Framework.
Run. Run.
Now let's hear more about the department from the head of the department, Professor Dr. G.K. Bose, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So, as sir is leading the department into new foundations of success, let us learn more about the new technical advancements that have been taking part in the mechanical engineering department. An example of such being the 3D printing lab. So, sir, can you please enlighten us about what is the lab about and how is going to help the students and what will they learn?
Actually, this 3D machine, rather, I'll put it in this way, it is coming under my ModRob project of AICT, which I have received in 2020. Now, under this ModRob project, I have tried to develop my advanced manufacturing lab, and in this lab, my primary objective is to develop new technological mechanisms or machineries which are very relevant in today's industry. And you know that in industry this prototyping of any product or any component is of prime importance in the sense when you are trying to develop new product and you are trying to launch it in very less span of time, keeping in mind the cutting edge technology and the cutthroat competition in the market which is prevailing. So every company is having a high amount of pressure to overcome its competitors. So this prototyping is an important aspect in any industry. So rapid prototyping is one such area where very quickly one can develop a product, make a prototype, and the technology used over here is basically additive manufacturing, and this additive manufacturing is actually done through this 3D printing mechanism. Okay, so the machines which are used for this 3D printing mechanisms is fused deposition molding machine, stereolithography, so on and so forth. So in our lab we have actually a 3D printing mechanism used by fused deposition molding technique. Okay, so this actually uses some polymer material like PLA, ABS, wherein the development of product takes place in layered form, and any product be it any mechanical components like gears or some shafts, or let's take some biological elements also like liver or knee, kidney. Okay, recently we have developed one human knee, exact replica of a human knee, and basically we have taken the data from MRI and all those MRI points or the data collected from MRI are transformed in 3D format in our software, and from that we developed this human knee, exact replica of a human knee with all the full details, medical details, and it took around 22 hours to print to make it in the full form. So basically my students, my final year students who are undergoing project work, they executed the entire process along with my guidance, and it's quite an experience for both of us, I mean the students and myself, because the machine was new and the technique that we are using is also new, and it was quite an exemplary work that we have created, and we feel proud that we have done it. And this is a learning experience which the students can have. It's an on-job training that we are giving to our students in this regard.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Now we have a student of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Mr. Alok Bharati, a student of 4th year, who will be sharing his experience as a student of the department.
Thank you for introduction. I am Alok Bharati, currently fourth year student of Mechanical Engineering Department. Currently I am going to show to brief your journey as a mechanical engineer in HIT. Since as you all know, mechanical engineering is the father of all the engineering department, because even the mic in which I am speaking, and even the camera in which the video is shooting, and even on the desk on which you are sitting, all of them are made by a mechanical engineer. If you join any other departments of engineering like CSE, IT, ECE or any other, your field will be limited. Like you have to work in IT sector, or you have to work in your own sector. But if you join mechanical engineering, you can explore yourself. You can explore yourself in any field. Like from our department, if you can check your placement, our placement records, then most of them are getting placed in IT sectors. And if since it is a father of all the department, just assume that a coder is coding on a system. Then on which system he is writing the code, that system is also made by a mechanical engineer, and that's why it is known as father of all the engineering department. And particularly in Haldia Institute of Technology, if you are talking about mechanical engineering department, then it is the most active department of the college. Since I have joined this college in 2018, and as a normal student of this college, and now I am the joint secretary of mechanical ME club. And also the poker of my department. So you can explore yourself in different fields from this college. You will get opportunity in exploring yourself in acting, singing, and managing all these things. If you check the records of our departments in different colleges or also in our colleges, you can see that mechanical engineering everywhere, like Arvind Kejriwal in politics, and all around yourself you can see a mechanical engineer. So at last I want to say that you don't worry about your department, just have faith, work hard, and you can achieve success in the field in which you want. You can explore yourself in different ways. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Now we have Mr. Mehul Agarwal, a student of 4th year, Department of Mechanical Engineering, who will be briefing us about SAE Club.
So yes, myself Mehul Agarwal. I am the currently Vice-Chairperson at Society of Automotive Engineers (HIT). We are proudly associated with Mana Racing and Team Vidyut, providing all the technical stuff regarding building go-kart and F3 prototype car. Apart from this, SAE is an international organization associated with all the engineers related to automotive field and taking part in various international events. Okay, so being part of SAE, all the engineers from all over the globe get the opportunity to come in contact with latest technologies related to automotive, such as ABS, self-driving car, AMT, and many more. And also the people who are associated with automotive from all over the globe, which help them to gain many informations from all around the globe.
So now let's talk about the ME Club, the official club of Mechanical Engineering Department. to tell more about the club, we have the Joint Secretary of ME Club, Master Alok Bharati. Let's hear more about the ME Club from him.
Thank you, Costa, for introducing me. I am Alok Bharati, currently the Joint Secretary of ME Club. In Haldia Institute of Technology, when you talk about Mechanical Engineering Department, the first word you can listen is ME Club. And now let's talk about what is ME Club and why ME Club. Any activities which we are going to conduct through in our college from our department, all activities are judged and done by the team ME Club. And in this team we have five more sections, that is cultural, technical and sports. The three are shown here, and two is innovations and click. The work of innovations is like the things that like to maintain social media pages, websites, and whatever things we are going to publish online. All these things are judged by innovations. And click is like capturing all the pictures of all the events, videos and all, and deciding what we will do in our next steps. When we are going to talk about ME Club, in different departments and in different time to time we are going to conduct different events. Like we have a series of events. We have two events. One is Mechnovet and another one is Recognito. In odd semester we used to conduct Mechnovet, and in even semester we used to conduct Recognito every year. In this pandemic we also conduct our events in online mode, and when colleges are open we conduct our events in offline mode. And all the events conducted by our club is very successful events. Maximum participants we get from the colleges. And talking about our cultural club, our cultural team is very strong. Many times he won prizes in different clubs, different societies and different events. Our sports team is also very strong. Recently our football team is the second runner up in the college. Our cricket team is also second runner up in the college. And talking about regarding technical club, then we have two teams like Team Manav Racing and Team Vidyut. And on discussing more on technical club, we have another joint secretary, Saurabh Tripathi, with us. He will continue.
So now let's talk about the technical department of ME Club. In order to say more about it, we have another joint secretary of ME Club, Master Saurabh Tripathi. Let's hear more from him.
Thank you so much, Costa, for giving me this opportunity. So talking about our technical club consists of two teams, Team Manav and Team Vidyut. Team Manav consists of Formula cars, and Team Vidyut works on go-kart. So both these two teams have represented our college at various stages and brought laurels to our college. Talking about our technical events, we have conducted technical events like technical writing and technical quiz.
So here we are sitting with the team Manav Racing, the official Formula Students team of Haldia Institute of Technology. And now we have with us the captain of team Manav Racing, whose name is Aman Sagar. Let's hear more about the team from the captain itself.
Thank you, Costa, for introducing me. My name is Aman Sagar. I am the team captain of team Manav Racing. We are currently working on our chassis. We participate in the various events like Formula Bharat and Supra. And this is our lab, which is provided by the respective faculty members itself. And currently I have in our team there are many departments, which is brake systems, suspension, steering, bodyworks, etc. My teammates will introduce each and every department by themselves.
So now we have with ourselves the team manager and vehicle dynamics head of team Manav Racing, whose name is Master Avijit Datta. So now let's hear from him more about in details.
Yeah, thanks Costa for introducing me. Hello guys, my name is Avijit Datta and I am the team manager and the vehicle dynamics head. Let's explore something like in this field. We work in the suspension and the steering part. Currently we are using double wishbone suspension systems, and the whole process is like we go through some CAD softwares, Lotus and all for the suspension geometry, and then we work on the steering, and then we work on the chassis part. So yeah, that's all. Thanks Costa and thanks the team.
So now we have with ourselves the engine head of the team, whose name is Master Amandani. Let's hear more about the engine from him itself.
Thanks Costa for introducing me. Hello people, myself Aman Dani. Currently I am engine head of Manav Racing. So as we all know that engine is a heart of any vehicle. So our team work on that and I am leading that department. So currently we are using KTM 390 engine which produce 44.5 HP. So our team is divided into two parts. One is drivetrain and second is powertrain. Both team have their individual work. So thank you Kaustav, that's it for me.
So now we are sitting with the head of Bodyworks of Team Manav Racing, Master Alok Bharati. Let's hear more about Bodyworks from him.
First of all, thank you Kaustav for introducing me. I am Alok Bharati, currently the Bodyworks head of Team Manav Racing. Mainly in Bodyworks, we are focused to design two things: our front nose and side ducts. While making these front nose and side ducts, we first make all these things in software SolidWorks, and then with the help of epoxy resin and glass fiber, we make it, and then we assembled it in our vehicles. While making side ducts and nose, we make sure that it should be aerodynamically perfect, and in sharp turns, and while moving forward, it must cut the air in particular directions and move smoothly. Thank you.
So now we are with the brakes head of Team Manav Racing, Master Ritvik Kumar. Let's hear more about brakes from him.
Thank you Kaustav for introducing me. I am Ritvik Kumar. I am brake system head. So basically main function of brakes is to provide security to the safety to the brake and driver itself. In our brake we use hydraulic principle in which we use brake fluid, which pumps brake fluid is pumped through brake cylinders, and which travels through the pipes to the brake calipers. Our brake cylinders are of Willwood company, and our brake calipers are of Vespa company. Thank you Kaustav.
So now we are with the electronics head of the team, whose name is Master Rachit Raj. Let's hear more about electronics from him itself.
Okay, hello everyone. I feel privileged to sit in front of you all. So I'll tell something about electronics department of Manav Racing. So we have currently worked with various types of motors and cooling systems. One of the cooling systems which we designed used to trigger a fan at certain temperature, and it was a very good experience working in that.
Now we have Mr. Shopanna Mojumdar, a student of 3rd year from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, who will be briefing us about Team Vidyut.
So my name is Shopanna Mojumdar. I am from 3rd year Mechanical Engineering Department. I am an active worker of Team Vidyut. So today I will brief about Team Vidyut. So as an engineering student, we all are aware of the racing industry. We know about Formula cars and many other sports events organized in the racing industry, but are we aware about go-kart or go-kart racing? So today I will brief what is go-kart basically. So go-kart is basically an open vehicle without any bodywork with 4 non-aligned wheels, and in which the 2 aligned wheels are connected to the steering and other 2 are connected to transmit the power from the engine. And one more speciality is that the go-kart is that go-kart is a vehicle without any suspensions, and its ground clearance is very less. So this is all about go-kart, and now I would like to present some of the achievements on behalf of our team. Like in 2017, we have participated in UKC, where we have cleared the virtual rounds and headed forward for the main event. And again in that year we also participated in Bhopal circuit, where our team got 3rd rank in business evaluation and 5th rank in cost estimating. And again furthermore, when we headed towards the main event, out of 73 teams, our team got 11th rank, and that's the second achievement our team has got in 2017. After that we have also participated in NKRC, where our team got 11th rank out of 200 teams, and so this is all about Team Vidyut, and as a member of Team Vidyut, we will march forward to work more hard and help our college to bring laurels at the national levels. Thank you.
So now let's talk about the cultural department of ME Club. To talk more about it, we have the cultural head of the ME Club, Master Anas Khan, who will tell us more about the cultural things.
Thank you, Kaustav. Myself Anas Khan, and I am the cultural head of ME Club. So basically, we do lots of events here. Last event was our Magnomaniac and Recognito and Magnovet. In these kind of events, we usually do painting, singing, and lots of creative things. And in Recognito, we do open mic and magazine. Thank you.
So now let's talk about the sports section of the ME Club. In order to talk more about it, we have Master Devashish Mondal, the sports head of ME Club. Let's hear from him.
Thank you, Kaustav. Myself, Devashish Mondal, and I am the sports head of ME Club. So basically, the name of our club is Metal, and every event, sporting event which occurs in our college is managed by us, means our sports club. So the first sport is volleyball. Our team is very good in volleyball. We have won many trophies under our sports club in volleyball. And talking about cricket and football, the boys have put a very good fight in every events. And in annual cultural meet, we have performed very well. So apart from this, we also participate in basketball, chess, and various e-sports. The students of our mechanical department have represented the college in various sports which is conducted all across the country. So lastly, I would like to say that success isn't given, it's earned. So with these words, I hope that our students will do very good in near future. Thank you.
Hello, now we have Mr. Animesh Kumar with us, who will be briefing us about Team Nivedita. Animesh?
So, hello everyone, my name is Animesh Kumar and I am the editor-in-chief of Team Nivedita. So before we begin, I believe that you all must know what is Nivedita and what is that we all do in this club. So first things first, Nivedita is a Hindi word which means dedicated to or offered to God. So 5 years ago from today, our beloved seniors of Mechanical Engineering Department started an initiative in which they wanted to provide a space for all the creative minds of the department. Initially, the main focus of the club was to publish the annual magazine of Mechanical Engineering Department. But in these 5 years, we have grown as a club and started many more activities, like we organize online and offline open mics for all the poets, storytellers, singers, beatboxers of the college, where we provide a platform to all the creative minds of the college so that they can showcase their talent to the whole college. Also, we have worked really hard on the social media content creation of the club in the past lockdown period and we have many more plans upon which we will be working in the coming future. Also, I also know that you all must be thinking, why should we join this club and what is that we अगर हमने एक टेक्निकल क्लब में टेक्निकल कॉलेज में एडमिशन लिया है, टेक्निकल कोर्स में एडमिशन लिया है, तो हमें कैसे कोर्स में क्यों ज्वाइन करें जिसमें कुछ भी टेक्निकल इन्वॉल्व नहीं है. द आंसर टू दैट इज़ वेरी सिंपल एंड शॉर्ट. विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ हैज सेड दैट पोएट्री इज़ द स्पॉन्टेनियस ओवरफ्लो ऑफ पावरफुल इमोशंस, एंड आई बिलीव दैट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में एक स्टूडेंट के लाइफ में स्टूडेंट के हार्ट में काफ़ी सारे इमोशंस आते हैं एंड उन इमोशंस को एक पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन देने के लिए आपको कुछ ना कुछ पॉजिटिव क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा. संस्कृत का एक शब्द है द्विज, जिसका मतलब होता है समन हु इज बॉर्न ट्वाइस. एक चिड़िया सबसे पहले धरती पे एक अंडे के रूप में आती है, उसका दूसरा जन्म तब होता है जब वो उस अंडे से बाहर निकलती है. ठीक उसी तरह एक आर्टिस्ट का दूसरा जन्म तब होता है जब उसे रियलाइज होता है कि वो कुछ क्रिएट कर सकता है, इनोवेट कर सकता है. उसी तरह इस कॉलेज में सिर्फ एक क्लब है जो आपको एक क्रिएटिव इंसाइट केटर करने का एक स्पेस देता है, एंड दैट इज टीम निवेदिता. ऑन दैट नोट, आई वुड लाइक टू वेलकम all the freshers to Haldia Institute of Technology. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Animesh.